You can easily remove and install the push-to-open storage drawer on your cafe range. And we'll show you how in just a few simple steps. To remove your storage drawer, press the center of the drawer. Now pull the drawer forward until it stops. On both sides of the drawer, you will see rail release tabs. Simply press the left tab and right tab at the same time, and pull the drawer forward until it is detached from the rails. To reinstall your storage drawer, move the ball bearing slides to the front of both rail guides. Then insert the left drawer rail into the inner left rail guide channel. Now insert the right drawer rail into the inner right rail guide channel. Finally, push the drawer until it slides into place.